G'day, Tubulites. What's happening? TRAXXAS all the way. Look under here. Freaking TRAXXAS, 60 mile an hour. Freaking TRAXXAS, freaking like 40 mile an hour. Freaking TRAXXAS TMAXX like 10 miles an hour at least. Freaking crap. The freaking Slash up there. Oh yeah, we got the toys. It's friggin' winter. Jumbo Mondo tires. Oh yeah. We're also into these little mini Z's. That's what this track in my basement's for, but sort of out of it right now anyhow. But there's a nice Kyosho radio, you know, for the mini Z's, and the DX3R for all the other crap. You know, we got Mini Z, a little Formula 1, and this is my son's car. It's got eyeballs all over it. It's kind of cool, you know. So there's my Mini Z, all dinked out, of course. Yeah, FRIGG, yeah. What else we got? We got some laminators up there. One's custom paint, and that one's just a parts truck, or vice versa. I can't remember now. Oh yeah, and then the freaking EX10 Scorpion crawler. Yeah, lots of bodies for it. She's a good one. She'll crawl up to the side of the wall for you. There's a little mini laminator. Oh yeah, RC man, RC all the way. There's a MO3, the new chassis, the 5 I believe, and just put her together. I haven't even used it yet. You know, just sort of lost interest in it, but she's, you know, you can tell she's like still not even scratched or nothing on the bottom. You know, I just drove it around in this crap just to make sure it worked. It worked, so yeah. There's some more spare Mini Z bodies, a couple more over here, you know, never used. Tire mountain for that one, and this one's all my buggy tires for the buggy. I'll show you in a sec. Some Slash tires there, and you know, that just freaking keeps going right up to the roof. You know, I don't know if you can see that, but there's some more in behind there, some more crawler stuff. There's the tires for the for this guy. They fit on there, you know. Freaking look at them, smooth right down, burnt right off. That's what they're supposed to look like. You know, with a bit of knob on them. Yeah, freaking shafts for the Revo. They were replaced because they like snap. These things, when you're getting spinning, and if you do a jump in the air and they're spinning so fast, then you hit and you're going slower than what your tires are going, these things rip and they tear apart these knuckles here. These U-joints, they just shred right apart. So yeah, when you're putting frickin' huge batteries in it, you know, like these frickin' batteries here. These are let me cut to a macro, hang on. These are a friggin' 3-cell 20C 11.1 3200. Put 2 of those in there, holy gee, she'll just wheelie on demand all day long until the battery dies. Yeah, I'll just give you a quick shot of this storage wall here. There's the box EX10. Those are a bunch of Slash bodies. A bunch of spare friggin' tires. I don't think they got rims now for the TMAXX. But there's some other nice ones for my E-Revo. They're I had them on the beach, man. Holy, that one video, I think it's on my posted on my channel there, naked beach E-Revo or something it's called. It's pretty wicked. And there's the frickin' jewel, that thing. Holy jumping, you want to see what's in it? Hold on a sec. Okay, you guys ready for this? This has got a K59 big block in it. Like out of the big monster truck. Yeah, freaking hard on fuel, but oh my god, goes like a rocket. Power galore. Freaking big block. HPI Racing, there you go, Logie. How do you like that? She's mounts in there pretty good. That's the mount that came with it, and then it just mounts right to the, you know, she works. It's the shaft start thing, shove it in the back, but this thing needs a new one-way bearing. I think it was slipping a bit. We should try it, and I'll show you what goes on here. Okay, so I'll show you how this thing is supposed to fire up, but it's got one-way bearing issues. In the back there. Okay, never mind, it's going to work now. Probably because it's been sitting for a while. Oh, I just hear the horsepower, eh? Listen to that. Bring you over here. Just imagine what that sounds like, eh, when she's fired up. It's just amazing. Oh, there, it's spun a bit. Yeah, I think it needs a new one-way bearing. It seems to be slipping or something. Yeah. Oh well. Well, let's see if we can get some parts for it maybe, because you got to hear this thing fire up. It's just amazing when it takes off. Oh well. Have a good day, guys. We'll talk to you later.